Teen Activity Kit.
Welcome to the instructional video that goes with the Teen Activity Kit for our special Valentine's Day charm bracelet. Fold the ribbon in half with the velvet side out. Take one metal ribbon clamp and close it on the folded edge of your ribbon. If needed, use a pair of pliers to firmly attach the clamp. If your pliers have teeth or have ridges, place a towel or similar between the pliers and the ribbon clamp as to not scratch or mar the ribbon clamp. Pull the loose ends of the ribbon tight and trim them evenly. Attach the remaining metal ribbon clamp. Next, lightly pry a jump ring apart. If you need to use pliers, remember to use the towel. The jump ring can slide through the loop on the end of the ribbon clamp. Repeat this on the other clamp. Estimate the length of the jewelry chain you will need to use. Remove extra links by prying a link apart using pliers or tweezers. The remaining length of chain should be divided evenly in the same manner. Attach each piece of chain to the jump rings that are placed on the end of the metal ribbon clamps. Squeeze the jump rings shut. Attach 2 more jump rings on the loose ends of the jewelry chain. Before squeezing shut, attach the lobster clasp to one of the jump rings. Now try on your bracelet. If it is too loose, you may have to remove more links of the jewelry chain. Lastly, pry open the last jump ring and slide it over the velvet ribbon. Then you may attach the heart charm and position it as you would like. Squeeze the jump ring shut and you are finished. I hope you have enjoyed this Teen Take-Home Kit and our special Valentine's Day bracelet activity. Thank you for watching.